Recently, we had a university reach out to us with a very interesting problem. Their problem was they had a main store which will distribute inventory to different campuses across India. And then these campuses will again then distribute that inventory to different students. So let's assume 500 books have to be bought for this new semester. The main store buys the book, passes on to the campus, and then campus is supposed to distribute to the student. To keep a track of all of that, the campus also maintains a manual entry in a notebook. The problem with this is not only one single campus that they need to take care of, there are multiple other campuses too. So it becomes a coordination headache to reconcile all of the books and how many books were distributed, how much of that got returned to the store. It becomes a headache for them. So we thought, how about automating this process? So here's what we came up with. The very first step is the campus requesting for inventory. So they will select the campus, the course, the session, what books they require, and so on and so forth. Once that is done, the main store will get that request. Once they have that request, they will either procure that book. In case the store already has books with them, then they will dispatch it to the campus. Now, once the campus receives the inventory at their location, the main store will enter the inbound count, which is 100 books have been received for semester 1 for a particular course, session, and semester. With all of this data, now the next step that the campus will do is they will go to the student view. In the student view, we have created a few columns. So these are all different students for a particular campus or a particular course and the session. Once you have handed over the books to the student, we will mark this book semester 1 as completed. Once we mark it as completed, automatically we have set up a automation which will run on schedule every 1 day or every 2 hours, depending on the schedule you want to set. You can set it, and then it will fetch all of the students with a particular course, particular session, and semester, and then it will calculate the total students that have received the book, and then update the outward count within the specific row automatically. So this is the workflow we came up to solve this problem. Thank you.